Hello there everyone, I am Corporate Naps and welcome back to my channel. I thought I would come to you guys today with another quick hair tutorial. If you know anything about me, I like simple and I like quick. I don't do anything that has a whole lot of fuss, so if I am styling, it normally takes about 5, maybe 10 minutes at the most, okay, when I am styling in any capacity. So what I'm going to show you today is the high bun with the rest of the hair down. High bun in the front or the top of the head and the rest of the hair down. This has been a popular style here for a little bit. Remember, depending on the length of your hair, you may need more tools, but all I will be using is one hair tie and a few bobby pins. I'm not sure how many bobby pins I'll need. I'm guessing 2 or 3, but I don't know. Let me just get started. All of the hair is down. These are old curls. It's almost time for a wash. It's time for a wash tomorrow. These are just curls that have loosened up over a week's time. So all I am going to do is have all of my hair, of course, going back, and hopefully you can see me there. Let me come up just a little bit. You can see me. And I'm just gonna take not even half of my hair, but like for this, and you see I don't do anything to my edges. You can if you want, but I'm not. Not even half. I come like right at what would be sort of the highest point of the ear and go up. Nothing any higher than that or any lower than that for me. And I grab the hair that I'm going to put in a bun, and see, it's just a small amount of hair for me. I don't have a whole lot of locks. I think I've mentioned I'm like under 300 after a number of years of combining and everything, so I'm probably just under 300. And so this is all of my hair. Now, what I could do because of my length is I could take one of my locks and wrap around, but I'm gonna use the ponytail holder so that those of you who are of varying lengths, if your hair is shorter, you will actually be able to see what I am doing or how easy this is as well. So this is just a ponytail holder. And if you want your bun to be bigger, obviously you're going to add more hair from the back area, okay? I always do my little test to make sure that nothing is too tight. And then from there, all I'm gonna do, for me anyway, is take this and wrap, right? You guys know that my hair is not all the same length. And whenever I do a bun, I'm very rarely, my dentist would hate me for this, I'm very rarely looking for a perfect bun. I don't know why, I just don't really worry about it being perfect. And you just pin until everything looks as smooth or as together as you would want it to look. But I just personally like sort of that tousled kind of look, my personal thing, right? So anything that's kind of sticking out, you want to tuck in. Now I could have, because of my length, taken the hairs that were sticking in and kind of sticking out and kind of put it up under the ponytail holder or up under the rest of the hair, but you can use bobby pins. The other thing to remember about this style is if your hair is shorter and you don't have a lot of hair to put in a bun yet, or it's too small or whatever the case may be, and your hair is sticking up everywhere if you put it in a bun, remember to look at my previous video where I did a side bun and I used a hair net to hold my hair together for that side bun. Hair nets are really great disguises for your hair not being a particular length, but remember those hair nets, you know, they aren't seen very well in your hair. I mean, somebody has to be like right up on you to see the hair, and if they're right up on you, they need to see it. But at any rate, this is my high bun. As I turn to the side, I see where areas are sticking out, but that's okay for me. And that is the look. Hopefully you guys can see that. Not sure what it looks like in the back. I don't worry about parts or anything like that. And that's the look. Hopefully you guys like this look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, if you have not already done so, be sure to subscribe and of course thumbs up this video. If you would like to see a closer look at my locks, be sure to join me on my Instagram page. You'll see below in the description box and above in the banner, as well as my newly created TikTok page. I am having a ball over on TikTok, y'all. It is just a hilarious place to be, and I love it over there. So feel free to join me there. Again, information above in the banner and in the description box below. I hope that everyone is doing well. I hope that you guys are staying safe and take care.